Assalamu alaikum, dear students of class ninth. Dear students, we were studying the biotic components of the environment. We discussed the first biotic component, the important biotic component, that is the plants. So, dear students, we study that plants are the food factories on the earth because they do the important process that we call as photosynthesis, with which the food is prepared by the plant for itself, and the extra food is stored in the plant in the form of starch, in the shape of different seeds, in the shape of roots, in the shape of uh, fruits and vegetables, which is the main source of food on the earth. So, dear students, we know that plants cannot survive without animals, and animals cannot survive without plants. So, dear students, as you know, that different plants are on the surface of earth which have adapted to different environmental conditions like water and temperature. So, based on the quality of water available in the habitat, the plants have been modified, they have been adjusted to their structures. The plants which encounter a difficulty in acquiring water are called xerophytes. So, dear students, on the basis of the availability of water, the plants modify themselves accordingly on the basis of availability of water to the plants. The plants are classified into three categories. One category is called as the xerophytes. Second category of plants is hydrophytes, and third category of plants are mesophytes. So, xerophytes are those plants which grow in those areas where there are deficiency of water, like deserts, while there is a scarcity of water. So such plants are modified accordingly. Their leaves are modified into spines, like as you see in case of cactus plant. The leaves are reduced to spines so as to prevent the loss of water from the surface. Similarly, another type of plant is the hydrophytes. Hydrophytes are those plants which grow in abundance of water. That is, they grow in ponds, they go in rivers, lakes, etc. Such type of plants are adopted accordingly. Another type of plant is the mesophytes. Mesophytes occupy an intermediate position. That is, they require moderate amount of water, not too much water and not too much less water. So, on the basis of availability of water in the habitat, the plants are modified. They are classified into xerophytes, hydrophytes, and mesophytes. So, xerophytes live in deserts, hydrophytes live or they grow in where there is abundance of water, and mesophytes grow in that place where there is not too much water or not too much less water. That means these mesophytes, they require a moderate amount of water. So dear students, we will discuss these different types of plants in detail. Stay connected